Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the brown dot home items. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, just in case you all missed it, I have already uploaded our new clearance markdown and penny list information video for this week at Dollar General. So if you missed it, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that with the brown dot home category, these items will continue to drop in price. They should go down to 90% off, and then eventually they will penny out. But as of right now, we have the brown dot home category going down to 70% off starting this Tuesday, June the 13th. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the items that will be included in the brown dot clearance category. Now keep in mind that these are not all of the items that are included in this category, because it is a huge category. Now in this video, I have tried to kind of group the items together. So first up, we have a lot of the blankets. They range in price as low as $5 all the way up to $30, 70% off. You're going to find some really great deals. Now, throughout this video, you guys are going to see that we do have a lot included in this category. Everything from blankets and pillows. We have a few kids items. We also have things for the bathrooms like towels, hand towels. We have kitchen things. We also have some items like candles, warmers, and diffusers. And we also have all of the awesome little cute wall decor items as well. So there's a lot included. So just keep your eyes peeled for those brown dots. They're usually placed right underneath the price on the product. There may be a hang tag on the product, but you want to be on the lookout for those brown dots. And as always, scan before you go up to the register, because pretty much with all categories, we do have items that are excluded, and they could still be ringing up full price. So always scan before you go up to the register. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, and I just wanted to pop back in to give you guys a quick reminder. Make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and make sure that they're set to all. That way you don't miss out on any crazy awesome deals. And of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.